We're following TJ, who has his own soundtrack right now.
We got cigars.
Do you have a lighter?
We have a lighter. I have a lighter. I have a scuba certified
Jenny.
diving card.
Jenny, why don't you tell all the people at home what's in the Charles Shaw?
Well, this is a very fine year. This would be Charles Shaw 2007, which actually is Jaeger.
It's actually homemade.
Homemade Jaeger.
No,
out of our bathtub.
This is what we call a moonshine.
We had to sneak it on the boat, and that was our method.
Let's just say this is magic. Magic in a bottle. Now we need Pete.
Why don't you tell us what we're listening to with your soundtrack?
Well, Kristen, if you just wait, you'd understand that David Guetta is really trying to tell you that Benny Benassi is saying, "Who's your daddy?"
Just perfect.
So, do you want to tell us, Kristen, who is your daddy? Is it this guy? Is it Benny Benassi? Because he's your daddy.
Your crotch is singing.
Do we need to go this way?